Henry, we're gonna have some rice cereal. Okay, baby? Oh, here comes your brother. Let's taste a little bit. What do you think? I know, I tasted it myself. Oh, you like it? What do you think? Oh, my goodness. Mommy, I don't like this. You're doing good. You didn't push your tongue out. At least you're swallowing in it. Huh. A little bit more? Let's take my tongue out and see what this is. That's the spoon. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's not good. Do you not like it? Oh my goodness.